Oh, what's going on, everybody? Z here. Welcome back to Star Wars Inc. My goodness, today is a wonderful day because we are making some money. We're doing some mining here on this asteroid, and things are gonna take off a little bit. I hope. I don't know. We'll see. So we have to do a couple of things. We need to, first and foremost, purchase ourselves a new plan for a basic core forge. This right here is going to allow us to make basic cores from metal ingots. So we're gonna go ahead and buy that right now because we had $3,000. I had 6,500 saved up. I AFK'd the game. Absolutely. I set up some things and we let it run and we got some money. So no reason to waste time. If you want to make cores, you need a working forge and you're just one build away from joining the elite producers. All right. So build a basic core forge. Now, whilst we're doing this, I'm going to go ahead and disable my selling stuff. I basically have auto sales going on right now. And oh yeah, we're like basically out of stuff anyways. I was just about to introduce you to another feature of the sales storage. Because with the sales storage, you can not only sort your products neatly and keep the sales room tidy, but you could also automate sales. Wow, that's fantastic. With a small upgrade, you can connect storage directly to the space wide web. Yes, the intergalactic trading network. There, you can sell your products directly. No customer contact required. Sounds convenient, right? The advantage, you receive regular money while you take care of your customers on site. The disadvantage, the earnings are a bit, well, modest. In the SWW, you only get 50% of the sale price, and bonuses like decorations sadly don't count there. The algorithms are pretty unfeeling. So unlock the upgrade, bring your storage online, and set up your first product to automate sales. Okay, so that sounds great, but I already have some things automated. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to wait on that one just for now. Let's see. Where is this one? Let's go ahead and get these guys just doing their stuff here. Actually, you know what? You can do that. Are you, yeah, you're a sad bot. That's fine. Anyways, so we have the core making machine. Now, I have the Carnet ingot thing going. It is automated. We've already upgraded it. It does its automation thing. It does its auto eject thing. I've also upgraded this Carnet thing right here. So it is actually deep drilling, so it never runs out. And I actually maxed out the speed as well. So yeah, we have that going. We've also got a couple more ore miners right here, which I guess these only, oh, you can only have 10 in an area. Okay, so those are maxed out apparently. And then we also have these ingots back here that are apparently maxed out. And then we also have this guy right here that's also apparently getting maxed out. Okay, it might be time for a network. We might need to get some network stuff going on. So, first things first, I think we make the core forge. So the basic core forge creates stable basic cores from metal ingots. Basic cores are robust and universally usable, ideal for early construction phases and light machines. All right, so this is not a small machine, is it? It looks like we have an input, an output, like we have a whole bunch of stuff going on here. What in the heck is going on here? Okay. I don't even know where to put this. Where do we put you? Maybe like right here. Let's put it right here and let's see what happens. I'm gonna, oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and build this. And then let's take a look at what is required and how we could possibly set this up. And like I said, I think we might need to get some of the networking stuff going so we can transfer resources automatically and not rely on the bots as much. Just in case you guys are curious, I'm still building this like 8.5 minutes later. It's going. All right. Exactly just as I expected. You got the hang of it. There it is. Your first basic core forge. Not a deco module, but a real powerhouse for refinement. Here begins the magic of core making, and you're the one to unleash it. It combines, okay, yeah, I think I understand how this works. So we get two of these, boom. It makes the thing. Now, my question is what happens? Okay, so we need to basically make all of our raw stuff. It needs to be forged. And then we need to throw all of those items into here, because I'm sure this is more valuable than anything else raw. So like there's no reason to even make that other stuff and to keep selling it because we just don't need it. You know what? I'm actually kind of curious. So hold on, upgrade. 5,000 for automation and 500 for auto eject. Easy. Those are easy. Okay. Now, how do we do this? What is the best way for us to do this? Do we move this machine? You know what? Let's do this. Let's go and let's look at the, you know what? Actually, hold on a second. We just need 2 basic cores, right? In order to get this thing unlocked? Yeah, let's do this first. That seems easy enough. And then we will, and then we'll go to the automation route and figure out everything from there. But yeah, let's get this thing unlocked first. Okay, so there's those 2. Let's move to step 2. The process has started. The core forge is humming like, okay, I'm sure we have to do something. You have to charge the core forge via your panel with the D64. Yeah, of course. Like I figured that. So let's do this. The materials have fused and the raw core has been successfully created, but it's still glowing and unstable. If you go to the second window, you'll see the raw core that now needs to be cooled down. Oh. Inside the chamber is a ventilation unit that you need to power manually. With the suction of the D42, you can start the cooling process. Oh, so now we have to suck. Wonderful. Super sucking action. Let's go. And there it is. See? The heat has been dissipated. The raw core is solidified and stable. All right, so now we hit the eject button. Wonderful. And then let's grab this. And let's go throw it in here. And then let's make another one so we can unlock this door and see what the heck's going on down here. All right, so here's our second core. I feel like we get a ton of XP for this. All right, there's that. And then super suckage. Cool this bad boy down. And we're good. Eject. All right, let's go throw this to the door. I'm so excited. I want to see what's down here. All right, and the door. Okay. So, what is oh my gosh, 5,000? Man, it's almost like I already have that. We have 3,000. We could probably make 5K super easy. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and clear this stuff out. Man, I feel like we're almost to the point where we really should get the upgrade for the laser. But I mean, the stuff right now is still blue, which means it's not expected for us to have the laser upgrade yet. Oh, there's definitely something back here. Oh, there's another little bot in there. Okay, hold on. There's a door right here. There's definitely a door right here. This one is oddly large and covering an entire walkway. Yes and no. Oh, there's another door right there. Okay, so it is cleared out here. Okay, let's clear this one out then. Let's go over here. See if there's anything over here. So we've got a door, and then we've got another door, and then we've got purple stuff. All right, so we've got a little robot. Is there a door behind this one, maybe? I don't think so. Yeah, nothing there. What about this one? This one looks pretty big, too. Nah, it looks like it's just a wall. You know what? I'm going to get all this cleared out, and then we can really look at it. There's a disc. What is this? Entry 7 of 9. Crew member Dax Mando. Stardate 2049. Hal keeps drinking Romulade. Bobby never stops talking, and now a meteor has hit the station, spreading biomass. We're sealing the doors. Hope Hal remembers the codes, but it's even coming out of the walls. We're trying to keep it under control with the lasers. Oh, I love the smell of burning in the morning. Reminds me of LV-426. And I should take care of Hal. There was a Parasol med kit with some T vital serum under the stairs upstairs. That should calm him down a bit. I'll go get it. Okay. Interesting. And I think that is the last of the blue biomass down here. We've got a door there. Is that it? I think so. All right. Now, let's go ahead. Oh, you know what? I completely forgot about this thing over here. We've got this guy, and that sells for 100 a pop. Let's go see if we can't. Oh, we can't get the mine until that's right, we can't get the miner until we get the laser, the upgrade, because this guy we don't know it yet. So we got to get the mining laser upgrade, and I really want to do that, but I kind of want to. Do I want to automate this? I kind of want to automate this a little bit. Let's do this. Let's go over here. And let's look at our choices here. So we've got a relay, can be used to extend the transport system, a small storage, an ejector, and something else. Okay. I think it's worth unlocking all of this stuff. I think we're going to need it all anyways. So, yes, we're going to do that. All right, so there's the relay. Let's get the small storage. Let's get the regular storage. And then let's get the ejector. And I think that's everything. Is that everything we can do right now? Yes, okay. Let's go ahead and let's take a peek at the things that we can do. So transport system, we've got the ejector. We've got a storage. Connect the storage to the transport system to store materials. The storage has 4 transport outputs for further distribution of materials. Small storage, connect the storage to the transport system to store materials. The storage has 2 outputs for distribution. Okay, so this is what we're gonna need in order to connect it to this. We're gonna need the small storage where we can get the ingots from this and the ingots from the carnet to go into this one machine. Very nice. But we need to get all of those connected. I have all of these mines here that we probably need to get connected up into this smelter here. So, you know what? I'm gonna move this. Oh, I can't move it because it has stuff in it. Let's go ahead and do the disconnect. So disconnect everything. So we're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna move this guy. Ta-da! Okay, so let's move you closer to our end goal over here. Plus, we need to be able to run through all of these machines and connect them all up to the smelter here. So, oh, this is gonna be interesting because I also need a storage. We might have to move the other machine too. So let's just put that there. And then let's figure out this relay. Let's see how this is going to work. So if we go into build, transport system, relay. Okay, so like, let's say I want to combine that there. Let's go ahead and put this up. And then we can connect all of these. I'm hoping we can connect all of these into one thing, maybe. So let's go from here to there, there to there, this to there. And can we do this one as well? It's a hair too long. Oh, actually. Okay, hold on a second. I have an idea. If we put it like right here. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we got that one there. And then this one. Yes. Okay, so we can get all these into one. Now, I don't know if this is going to be an issue having all of these going into one, but we're going to find out. Okay, then how far can we go down here? Oh, man, not very far. So another relay. Our relay's only 150 altogether. Like, I hope they're only 150 and they stay 150. Because if they get more expensive as we go along, it's going to be it's going to be very expensive. All right, so relay to there. And then this one approximately right here somewhere-ish. Oh, I don't have enough money. We need to sell. Let's open up the market and sell some stuff. Excuse me, sir. I'm going to need you to become a seller. Yeah, let's open up the market for a little bit. Get some dollars. It looks like the transport system stuff does not get more expensive, which is really, really nice. Also, I'm aware that I have upgrade points. I'm aware that I have 3. I'm leaving them alone for now in case we need to increase our higher data rate, increase struggle strength, stuff like that. I want to wait until we could possibly need it. Okay, so I got my relay ran. Now I want a small storage here. Ooh, small storage is a single input and a dual output, which is it? Yeah, it is. It's a dual output. Single input, dual output. Okay. Oh, interesting. I'm going to put this here. Let's see how this works. All right, so if I connect you to there, build a total of 100 meters of transport connections. Okay, so that's going to start moving stuff. Now, how does this actually work? So we've got this. Are we able to select what resource comes out of this? Are we able to tell? Let me see here. Transport system. How do I know which thing is coming out of which side? Or is it not? Is it just that's not how it does. That's not what happens. Storage. Clever compression techniques increases storage by 15. Okay, so what I'm thinking, is there a way to put like a filter or anything? No. Ooh, okay. So maybe hold on. Maybe it's smart enough to not try to send Carnet to this, because we are gonna have Carnet coming in on this this little production line thing here. This is so slow. You know what? I think that's going to be at least worth a upgrade. So, increase the speed of your connection transport. Yeah, by 22%. I mean, it feels like it's faster. So we just like max it out. Just all of them. Yeah, why not? Let's see. How are they going now? Oh, much better. Okay, I can live with that. That was a worthy upgrade. So what happens with the Carnet? Does it try to send the Carnet that way? Oh, it only sends it when it needs it. No. Okay, it is. So it's semi-smart. It does not send a resource that won't work with it. And it only sends what it needs to make it happen. Oh, okay. So this is actually really nice. Because, well, actually we can connect this to there. And then we can connect this one into here. Basically, we want to get this whole area, all of this ore running through this one smelter. Now, the next thing is, where do we put the smelter for the Carnet? Because we have a Carnet extractor over there, and then we also have a Carnet extractor right here. Are we able to run, let's see, is there an opening in here? Kind of, but it's like, oh man, that's just like a long ways over here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We can't automate this quite yet. We're not quite there. But what we can do is we can move this. We're gonna move this over here, similar to how this one is. We're gonna put it like right here. Actually, oh, maybe. Let's see. Can this connect to this? Yes. Okay. And then that one. Yeah. Look at that. See, then the Carnet comes over. Awesome. Okay. So let's make our Carnet stuff connect to this. So we're gonna need to bring this Carnet over that way, which I don't think is gonna be all that bad. So let's go into here. Let's go into relay, and then we'll put it like right here. Okay, so there's our first relay. Boom, connect this to there. And then can we just get another relay like right here maybe? All right, so there's that. And then we can connect this one to here. And then we need to connect this one to like, it needs to go this way somewhere. Looks like it can be like right here. Okay. So we'll grab this one and bring it into here. Oh my gosh, I just realized too what's great about this. Because we can have any of these ores go to this. As long as it's Carnet or regular ore, this can all go this path right here and be made into the ingots right here. So we don't ever have to make, like, we shouldn't ever really have to make any more of these machines. Oh, this is fancy. Oh, I like this. I'm super excited now. All right, so let's put this one here. That will connect that, and that's, oh my gosh, this is kind of amazing. I'm legit having an absolute blast. This is really cool. Okay, so let's grab you, connect, and then you, and connect. And then we're gonna move this. Uh-oh. I mean, I guess we could move this. Darn. Oh! Oh my gosh, it actually worked. It's connecting to that, and then it'll go that way. Yes! Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, I love this. Okay, now, the basic forge. So this thing, we cannot automate this. We can auto-eject. But we can't get automation until we have 5,100 points, which it looks like we get 20 points possibly per thing, or maybe it was 10 per thing. So that's actually not going to be bad. So let's get auto eject, and then let's get some of these made, and then we'll get the points, and then we also need the money. But that should be basically everything. All of these running to those. Oh, this is fantastic. So I suppose we could just run this into here like that, and this one into here like this. There's no reason why we can't. They'll just throw it in there, and then once this is full, we'll go ahead and just make them. Carnet is going to be the problem, though. That's the one that's taken so long. So I increased my data rate again by 90%. Yeah, now it's screaming. I didn't think that this last point was going to do that much. It made a huge difference. It went from 60% to 90%. Look at these things just going flying by now. it's quite fantastic. Like, so awesome. This is really exciting. I'm really enjoying this. Now, We got to make some money. We've got to make some money. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's get these cores made. We'll sell some cores. Hopefully we'll make a decent amount of money off the cores. And then once we can do that, I have a feeling that'll be a lot of money. Like a fairly easy amount of money. There's the core. There it is. Fantastic. Ooh, our ore is too fast now. This might actually need some upgrades for efficiency. I think it makes it, the refinery needs 1 less material per ingot. Oh my gosh, 1 less per ingot? That's a huge upgrade. Oh, so you can only get it once. Wait, can I get this one? Oh my gosh. I thought it was a speed thing. Oh my gosh, wait a second. We might actually need more of these things because look at this. This thing's filling up. It's at 20 of 20. It actually can't even hold anymore. Uh-oh. To say I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. I mean, I guess there's an upgrade for this. So storage, increase another 15. We're actually going to start running into bottlenecks now. This is crazy. Oh, you know what the problem is? The problem is it's not auto ejecting. So these are starting to sit here. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just cancel the transport system. That way they can just craft as much as they can. And then I will just go grab the ingots that I need. So a core is worth 600. That seems pretty good. That seems pretty solid. Yeah, see, now we're making a bunch of ingots because it was backed up because this thing was full, so it wasn't giving it anymore. You know, this is a Carnet source right here, right? Yep, and guess what? We need to go ahead. Ooh, I don't have enough for it. Now I do. Okay, so we need to connect this up to our network as well. We might as well because there's this thing, and we're going to need to probably do something with that as well, even though I can't do anything with it right now. Is there any other? Oh, yeah, and there's a Carnet right there and an ore right there, so we might as well run these down this way anyways. Actually, would it be better to run it this way instead? Because we actually have... Ooh, you know what? I think it'd be better to run it this way. We come across a lot more ores this way. Yep, that's the way we got to go. You know, another sizable upgrade that I didn't even really think about was actually luck. Because it increases 20% chance to receive an extra product during a processing. I now have 3 of them. So that's 60% chance to get 2 of them. So if I get 1 more, that should be 80% chance to receive an extra product during processing. That's like basically all the time. And then we get basically double the amount of this. And this resource right here is kind of slow for us right now. Actually, I want to see if we get 2. I want to know, do we get 2 of them? Show me the second Carnet. All right, it's done. 60% chance. Let's see. What do we get 2? Yes, we did. Oh my gosh. I like it. I like it indeed. Let's throw that in there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize we have a stack of these ingots over here. Our little bots literally can't keep up. Okay, so this is luck is maxed out, which means 80% chance to get 2 per time. So we can go ahead and do the exact same thing with the other Carnet over there, and we should be making Carnet ingots way faster. So you know what? Actually, I have an idea. If I get the transport system and we get an ejector and we place it right here, like this, and I actually run the outputs of those machines to the ejector, that should, in theory, fill this machine, but then throw everything else out on the ground. Instead of just throwing it on the ground, like it currently is, it should actually run it through here, and then if it's extra, it should just poop it out on its own, right? Maybe? Let me see here. Are we gonna be able to connect this one though? No. Darn it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to have a relay here. Okay, let's see. So relay to there, this to there. Okay, let's see. Now, does that actually do it? When these finish, does it push it through here, and then eject it into this? I'm hoping that's what happens. Okay, here comes our Carnet ingot. What happened? Products. Ingots. Oh, you have to select what you want it to do? Oh. Okay, well here, let's do this. Let's do this. Products, ingots, And then let's disconnect this one, and then we'll connect this one to here, because we're always waiting on the Carnet, basically, right now. Yeah, this should work temporarily, because then if there's any extra of these, they just get shot out like that. So I just realized that I could do this exact same thing for the Carnet ingot as well. And it could be basically a future thing, like future proofing, because if we put this here and we put Carnet on there, it can do the exact same thing until it's automated. And even after it becomes automated, if the machine is not done making the item, it'll just still poop it out and the little robots can grab it, you know? And they can do their thing. So transport system, disconnect, and then we connect the U to there. Then we go into here, products, ingot, Carnet, there. That should, I'm hoping this one hits, actually. I guess we'll find out. Does this one actually make it into the thing? And yes, it does. Awesome. I have a feeling we're about to start making some really good money, because once we automate this, we can also do the efficiency. So the refiner needs one less material per ingot. So does that mean it's going to go down from 2 of each to 1 of each? That's going to be insane. It's going to literally double our output. It's going to be wild. And then we're going to make so much money. Oh, I can taste it. I can taste all the money. All of the delicious star ore. Oh my gosh, there's Lucky Strike on the ingots too? No way. No way, there is. Oh my gosh. We could double the ingots now too. We're gonna have so many ingots that we don't even know what to do with. We are at $4,600 and we are almost at 100 points. Actually, I think this might be the 100 points we need to get this automated now. Let's see here. Yes, it was. We have 105. So we are literally 1 sale away from full automation of the cores that make like 600 per thing. And then on top of that, we could even start doing the lucky stuff and the efficiency. Like, it's wild. This is wild. I love this. All right, we can now AFK the cores. There it is, done. As soon as this makes its, a Carnet ingot, that's it. We've automated it. I don't really have to do anything. So overflow just gets ejected, gets sent up there, just gets sold. Carnet ingots, they go in here, boom, same thing. Once this is full, it makes the cores. Oh, this is fantastic. All right, there it goes. And then there goes that automation. Boom. That gets made. It does that. We need to do the efficiency. I don't know what just happened, but we did a thing. Did we get a level? Is that what it was? There it is. And then, okay, so what do we need for increased efficiency? Is 125. It might actually be worth the TP to get an additional TP for every one that it makes. You know what? No, it's not. It's just leave it. I don't care. That's fantastic. That's so great. Oh, man. All right, now to crank this up again, we need to bring the Carnet over here. We need to bring more Carnet over here. So I think we're going to go ahead and just run a little thing this way for now, because it's a lot closer. It's going to require a lot less. Actually, I could literally run 10 of those things if I needed to. Ooh. We'll just run it this way for now. Yeah, we'll run it this way for now. I think it'll just be easier. All right, so our final connection for now. Again, I just went this way because it was shorter, and it should get the Carnet over here a little bit faster. And then once we have a little bit more money and have more mines and stuff like that over here, we'll go ahead and do that, because like there's no reason to run all the way down here, all the way back when there's nothing else here yet. Can we get some upgrades on here? Drill speed. All right, and then let's get some luck. All right. Jeez, this is so nice. We're gonna have all of the ores. We're gonna have so much money. Let's see, how's our core making? Man, these, you know what? We need to, hold on, I need to upgrade you guys. You guys are not. Let's get carry capacity. Look at that. I did a carry capacity. Can you even believe that? That's the first one. That's $500 upgrade. And here I'm just like, let's go. Let's do it. We have all of the monies. You know, I haven't been upstairs lately. Let's go see how our inventories look, because I feel like we're selling pretty quick, but oh my gosh, we have a core. We have 17 ingots still. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And we have $3,000 right now. I think it might be time. It might be time to hold out for the upgrade for this guy. Or we could get that door open. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. There's so many choices. We could go so many ways with it. So I just went through, we upgraded this to Lucky Strike. I was going to do the increased efficiency. However, if we have now a 60% chance of making 2 anyways, and I already had the points for it, we could get the 2 now, make the additional money. Like, it's just a win-win. Oh, man. This is where things are getting so much fun. I love it. Yeah, I'm thinking we wait and get the upgrade. I think it's time we hit the laser. We wait for the 10K. I don't think it's going to take very long whatsoever. And then we can start busting down some purple doors and seeing what's behind the purple area. That's exciting. I'm so excited. This absolute game changer. This is so cool. My little robots can't keep up with all these. Oh, you know what? We have another robot. What am I doing? I completely forgot about the other guy. He's over here. I didn't grab him because I don't think I had the money at the time, but guess what? We do now. Hello, friend. Yeah, go do your stuff, bud. Actually, you know what? I'm going to actually set you up on a cleaning the mines because there's a lot of little rocks and stuff like that I would like to get removed. We also have the ability to build on top of all of these as well, but we're going to get that. We're going to get that laser upgrade. 10,000 for the laser upgrade. It's ours. And we got it! 10,000! It's time for a new laser. Let's do this. I felt like this was so far off, and guess what? Here it is. It's finally here! All right. We've done it. We've got the wow, this doesn't even have a thing anymore. We've got the purple. We have the magical purple laser. Okay, the first thing we have to look at, obviously, we have to go and look over here. We have to go look behind this door, and then we got to go mine that ambrosia stuff and see what that's about. And also, are we able to now get a miner for the ambrosia stuff or whatever? I'm like, I don't even know. Wait, was it called ambrosia? It was called amber sun. Amber, I don't even know. All right, there's that. Oh. Huh. Well, all right. I guess there's that. Okay, hold on. Let's go over here and let's discover this thing because I think we haven't discovered it technically yet. Yes. Yes. Mine it. Amberon field. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And boop. Our first one. Our very. That was like, I was like, what the heck's going on? Mine your first Amberon ore. All right, so now here's the question. You know what? Honestly, I don't even care. It could just chill. I care more. Okay, so can we now get? Oh, it's only 600. Are you kidding me? That's like nothing. That's like absolutely nothing. Amberon driller. Let's go. And then, do we have the smelter? It's only 900. Are you kidding? Why is this so cheap? I thought this was gonna be so much more expensive. This is amazing. All right, so let's do this. Let's go in here. Let's get ourselves a driller, Amberon driller. Let's go place this. We're gonna hook it to the network, and then we're gonna get it straight into a smelter thing, so that way it's smelting stuff. Because why not? All right, and we want 100% efficiency. Oh, that's 150-second drill time. Ooh. All right, so there's that. And then let's see. We're going to need a transport relay. Let's see, can we get it like right here? All right, so now we connect you to there. And then you, can we connect you to there? Awesome, okay. Now that shouldn't go anywhere because it doesn't have anywhere to go yet. But we should be able to go ahead and get ourselves a, where's a forge? A smelter. Ooh, it's 1,200. Okay, we're gonna have to wait a minute. just give me a minute. Okay, now we have enough. All right, so we'll do that one there. Oh, what is? Okay, here, let's see. I'm not exactly sure what's going on here, but let's do this. Let's do that. Let's get this built. We should be able to go from here. Oh, we cannot fork out of this one. So what we're gonna have to do is we're actually have to do something else a little bit here. We're gonna have to go to a transport system. We're gonna have to go to a small storage. And we're gonna have to put it like right here somewhere. Let me clear some of this stuff out. Okay, so let's get ourselves a small storage and put that right here. Why can't I put that there? There we go. And then let's do this. And what we'll do is we'll run both of those into here. We can have one going out as the Carnot and then the other one going out as the Amberon. Yay, okay. So let's go ahead. Let's disconnect here. And then let's go from here to there. And then from there to here. And then from here to there. There. Now that should bring in the Carnot and the Amberon as well, I believe. We'll see. Maybe. Possibly. Have we got an Amberon yet? I feel like I haven't seen one. Oh, it's just taken a minute. No, we must have got 2. Oh my gosh, it is uber slow. We could already get deep drilling. That's fantastic. You know, this one might actually be worth getting the TP because it's going to take a lot of cycles in order to get this other stuff going. So let's just get a few of these. Let's get 5. So it gets 5 more points per cycle, I believe. Do we have an Amberon in here yet? No, we don't. You know what? Did I mess it up? Does this have Amberon in it? It does. Oh, that's, oh no, we can have 3 items in it. How do I get that out of there? I don't know how to get that out of there, to be honest. You know what? It might just live in there for now. Hopefully from now on, it just goes in here instead. Maybe. Hopefully. Oh, here comes one right now. Dum 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 dum. Yes, okay. So hopefully that won't be an issue. I guess if, I don't even know. I guess if we run out. Oh no, shoot. Perfect, okay. Yeah, I hope that won't be an issue. We're gonna have to auto eject. We're gonna have to do all that fun stuff, but we'll figure that out later. But that is gonna end this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like. It does help out the channel, and I do appreciate it, and thank you so much for being here. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribed as well. This is a blast. I'm having a lot of fun. This is a really good time. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a link down below. But yeah, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.